Hey there everyone, all the techies and data enthusiasts there. Welcome back to video 16 of our Python series, and in this particular video we are going to discuss about dictionary comprehension. If you remember, on 15th video we already discussed about what is comprehension and what is list comprehension as well. So if you have not checked that particular video, do check out. This is the continuation video. In today's video we are going to discuss dictionary comprehension. Okay, so guys, now let's get started. Dictionary comprehension. Dictionary comprehensions allow you to create dictionaries using the concise and expressive syntax. So how I previously told you all already, right? So the list comprehension or even in the comprehensions, comprehension is nothing but whatever code you have that you are going to write in more concise and in more expressive way. In one line of code, in short, if you want me to say. So this is the syntax here for dictionary comprehension. You have the key pairs, value pairs, and your for statements, or you can say statements, and conditions. If conditions, everything can be defined here, and this is, it should be coming in your flower braces itself. Dictionaries, you by default know it's a flower brace, right? So that's what we are going to follow. Now you can see here the same like previously how we discussed about the codes, right? The same way we are going to follow today also. What we are going to do is we are going to first see how normally dictionaries code we are going to write, and the same code we'll see here in dictionaries. This is an example. So now let's get started. Okay, so here let me just copy the same name out. Where was that? Dictionary comprehension. And make sure guys to check out the link below for this particular PDF. So you will get this PDF, you all can use it and learn later, revise as well. So this PDF is free for everyone. It's available in GitHub including all these codes. Okay, so let's get started with our first program. So for this first program, right, let us write our normal program or code, you can say. Okay, normal dictionary code. So I'm actually not going to write the complete code here because it's going to take more time. So let me just explain you directly. As you all know already, this dictionaries it's covered. So in normal dictionary method, how you are going to write a code. So squares dictionary is equals to an empty dictionary, and where you are ranging from 1 to 6, we want the values to start from 1 and end at 6. And square dictionary of x is equals to x square 2. Okay, and now if you print this, you will get the output 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9. So your key is your value, your key is your numbers, and value pair is your squares. Okay, so this is how the actual code was expecting, or you can say the question was asked, right? So create a dictionary that maps number in the square using dictionary comprehension. So the same code, right? So same question, right, was asked. Now let us use the dictionary method. Okay, dictionary comprehension. So I'll copy this. Okay, dictionary comprehension to create a dictionary of squares. Square dictionary is equals to x colon x square for x in range 1 to 6, and print square dictionary. So you can see here 5 square 25, 4 square 16. So everything is mentioned here clearly. This is the dictionary comprehension method, and you can see here the same code logic actually. So I forgot to explain the logic, right? So see here, we gave the variable x and x square 2 for x in range 1 to 6. Simple. Okay, the same logic is here, and it's more concise. You don't need to actually create an empty dictionary and later add those things to that. It's not required here. That's great, right? So both the codes are better. So as I previously told you, again, when you're using it for production or a company level codes, make sure to prefer this instead of comprehension, so that your server runs tables and even the code understanding will be good. Comprehension is good, but it's very good when you're using for prototypes and when you're building something. Normally in notebooks, like it's mainly especially useful for analysis and building of prototype projects and MVPs. Okay, I mean the codes you're going to use on that, right? That depends. And now let's get moving to the next example. Example 2. Now the same even squares. Okay, even squaring. Filter out. Okay, even squares filter out. So for this, what you have to do? Now let me just copy the code of it. Even square dictionary is equals to, so empty square braces, for x in range of 1 to 11, if x percentile to double equal to 0, then even square dictionary is equals to x square. Okay, so then let's run this. Now you can see here for 2, 4 for 4, 16. So these all are even numbers. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. No, it's even square filter out, you can say. Actually, we are filtering odd number, not even numbers. Okay, I am sorry. Let's create a dictionary where keys are even numbers and values of the square are from 1 to 10. Dictionary comprehension with the filter condition. Okay, condition filter. Filtering odd. Okay, so odd was mentioned here, but we are doing with even number. Okay, it was the book mistake. Let me add the question here. 1 to 10. Okay, so question is clear. And now let me copy the 2 lines of code which we are having for filtering even squares. Even square dictionary is equals to x square 2 for x in range of 1 to 11, if x percentile to double equal to 0. Simple. Previously there also we used the same x percentile to double equal to 0 at the last, and we got our output. So most of the conditions are same. You can see here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So if you want what you say, this is even number, right? If you want odd numbers, odd number, even number. Okay, 1, 3, you can see here now 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So these numbers are if you give that a simple exclamatory, you will get it. Okay, hope you are getting it. Now let's move with our next example. Nested dictionary comprehension. So we have some personal details and we want the nested dictionary of it. Okay. Now let's see the question here. Let's create a nested dictionary of storing details about different persons where each person has a name and a dictionary of attribute such as age and occupation. Okay. You got it right. For this the normal code, so let me just add the normal code here. So person name is equals to Alice, age 30, occupation engineer, Bob, age 25, teacher. So these are Charlie, 35, occupation doctor. So these are defined. Now personal dictionary is equals to open square braces, empty square braces we are having. So we assign the variable there. For person in persons, okay, don't get confused here. These persons details, age is name is equals to person name, age is equals to person age, square bracket we are calling the age, occupation is equals to person occupation, print dictionary name is equals to age comma occupation. Here we are simply telling if we ask a person's name, we want his age and occupation. I can see here now. name Alice, age is 30 and occupation is engineer. So here what we did previously, what it was like, how it was, you have name which is your key and the person's name as value pair, age variable as key value. Now what we want the output is, we want Alice, the person name, to be as a key and the value pair of it is age and occupation. I hope you got this in a simple form. Now here what we are going to do, the same code. It's not going to change that much, only one line of code only, but only the logic comes here in matter. So let me show you all that. Person's dictionary is equals to person name and what we are calling here age colon person's age, occupation person's occupation, for person in persons. Simple. When we call this, it will automatically print that. Person in persons. Okay, indentation error. Got it. Yeah, now you can see here. Alice, age 30, occupation engineer. Bob, age 25, occupation teacher. So everything is defined here properly now. Okay, so now let's go to the next example. Store inventory. So the store inventory wala part I'm not going to take it. So I'm leaving it to you all as an assignment. You can do this particular code. So this is in nested dictionary comprehension, right? I want you all to do a normal dictionary code for this and comment in this particular video. Now let's dive further with the problem statement. You are tasked with creating a program for a bank that manages customer services. This is a problem statement, real world scenario, okay? Bank that manages customer savings and checks accounts. Each customer can have multiple accounts and each account has attribute like balance and account type, whether it's savings or checking. Okay, the program should use nested dictionary comprehension, hint is here, to store and display the results. Okay, so let me first give you a normal code for this, and before that let me copy the problem statement here. This can be normally only, no need of actually mark down for this line, I guess. See, only the line, only that line will get marked down, so it's okay. Let me keep it like this only. And now normal code for this will be, first I'll show you the normal code, then we will execute the same nested code here. Okay, you got it right. Okay, you can see account is equals to age, savings, account is equals to Alice, person's name in tuple it is, savings is 1550 paise, or you can say the dollars, okay, Alice checking and age 1200, amount is 1200, Bob savings and checking, so both these particular three names are having two different accounts, one is saving and one is checking account. Okay, bank customer is equals to, we opened an empty dictionary brace, customer is equals to set, customers is equals to set, and we also opened a unique, you can say a particular variable with the function defined set, okay, to it. For customer, comma underscrolls here, in account, customer dot add customer, okay, customer dot add customer. So what we are telling to add the particular customer here and create the next dictionary for it. For customer in customers, bank customer of customers is equals to empty square braces, bank underscore customer of customers is equals to empty square braces. For this particular empty space, account type, balance in account, if customer double is equals to this underscroll here, bank customer or customer account type, customer and account type is equals to balance. We are creating this and printing the bank customer details for customer account in bank and items, bank customer dot items, print customer name, and for account type and balance we are telling account type is equals to capitalize and account is equals to balance. So when we run this, you get here, you can see here customer name Charlie and savings account and checking account amount is here. Okay, so this is how we write. This is a very big code actually, nested loops code. If you try to understand this code, it will be good enough. Try to understand this code, you will get it. And let us give a try for a simple for loop statement as well here. Okay, so already we have the details at the up, so the table again I'm not going to take it. So bank customer persons only, right? Accounts is equals to, okay, so let's take it then. We need it actually. Our variable is different, right? I need to align this actually now. Okay, now this one. I hope now it's perfect. Unexpected indent, where it is account, bank customer account in for customers and account in. So what is the error here? Comma here, or what it is? Unexpected indentation error. So customer, for customer in customer, for customer of account. So previously what we wrote here, okay, let's try to find out this, what's the error on it. Okay, it is saying unexpected indent. Okay, we are seeing that code actually. Okay, I did not give here this indentation backspace. Yeah, now you can see here, now we got it. Alice, Charlie, Bob and savings and check account of it. So you have of them of a particular person. So if you want everyone's, okay, so this for loop, actually this for loop should come here and this print statement should come here. Now yeah, we are perfect with it. You can see a customer name Charlie and his account details, customer name Alice and his account details, and Bob is account details. Actually this code is also a bit huge. So here I gave this underscrolls and all as a variable. So don't give this, try to use some other names. It will be good enough. Okay guys, so I hope you all got this particular concept very well. Try to check out the code again and try to write it again. You will get it easily. So that's all for today's video. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Meet you all again in my next video. Bye bye.